Good day everyone and welcome to our course orientation for CM011. Before we go through your syllabus, let's first go through some of the details of the new modular system that is being implemented starting this first term of school year 2020 to 2021. The new modular system divides your courses into several modules that have their own assessments. For example, for CM011, this course is divided into three modules. Module 1, the nature of chemistry, stoichiometry, and energy changes. Module 2, nuclear chemistry, electrochemistry, and polymers. And Module 3, special topics in applied chemistry. Each of those modules would have their own major assessment. So what are the advantages of the modular system to you, the students? The modular system greatly benefits you because, first, of the granular delivery of courses. That means that the contents and the assessments are better aligned to the course outcomes, which ensures that you meet the desired course outcomes for every course. And the greatest advantage to you is the multiple opportunities to pass. Because for every module, you will be given multiple opportunities to get a passing grade to that module and to the course. Okay? If you fail a module under a course, you only need to repeat the module and not the course. That is very advantageous to you because you don't have to repeat the entire course just because you failed a module. You only need to repeat a module, which is only a fraction of the course. This modular system ensures that the objectives of outcomes-based education are met, which is largely centered to you, the learners. In our previous arrangement, the biggest question of the students is how can they pass a course? Now, under the new modular system, the question that you should be asking is how can you fail this course with all of the advantages that we are giving you? The modular system has made it harder to fail if you are serious in your studies. You will only get a grade of 5 under 3 circumstances. The first one is if you fail all modules. So in CM011, we have 3 modules. If you fail all 3 modules, then you get a grade of 5 in CM011. Next, if you are 100% absent in one of the modules regardless of class standing. So attendance still plays a major role in your grading. And the last one is you will fail if you violate the academic integrity policy. This involves cheating. If you are caught cheating, you automatically get a grade of 5 in this course. Okay? If you pass at least one module, you will not fail the course. So out of 3 modules, if you just pass one module, then you can still get a passing grade in the course. We will discuss about grading the modules and grading the courses. These are the differences between module grades and course grades. So remember, module grades are grades for the individual modules. So you have 3 module grades, while you only have 1 course grade that is for the entire CM011. Okay? The module grades still follow the numerical grading scheme. That is, you can have a grade from 1.00 to 3.00 if you pass the module. However, if you fail the module, you will not get a grade of 5. You will get a module grade of IP, or in progress. And the grade of IP can be converted to a grade of 3 after passing the completion of requirements, or you just retake the module that you failed. So you see, you will not be seeing a grade of 5. Instead, you will only be seeing the grade of IP, which can be converted to 3 if you pass the module. So the course grade is the average of the 3 module grades, and it's convertible to a numerical grade between 1 and 3. I will be showing you later a table containing the conversions from course average to course grade. So with that, let's proceed with your syllabus. Let's go through some of the important aspects of your syllabus. So first and foremost, the vision and mission of Mapua. You should memorize this vision and mission statements. By the way, I will be uploading a copy of your syllabus in Blackboard so that you would have a copy. Next, we have the program educational objectives. These are the goals that you would need to meet 5 years after graduating. So within 5 years after graduation, graduates of the engineering program should have undertaken singly or in teams projects that show ability to solve problems in engineering or related fields, had substantial involvement in projects that take into consideration safety, health, environmental concerns, and the public welfare, partly through adherence to required codes and laws. Demonstrated professional success via promotions and or positions of increasing responsibility. Demonstrated lifelong learning via progress towards completion of an advanced degree, professional developments, or continuing education courses or industrial training courses. Exhibited professional behavior and attitude in the practice of engineering or related fields. And finally, initiated and implemented actions toward the improvement of the practice of engineering or related fields. So take note of these PEOs. Next, we have the student outcomes. We have two types of student outcomes, one from ABET and one from PTC and CHED. So I would like you to read this student outcomes because these are the abilities or attributes that we want you to have during your stay in Mapua and even after graduating. I would like to formally welcome you to CM011. This is Chemistry for Engineers. This has no prerequisites and it has a core requisite course, and that is the Chemistry Laboratory. This has 3 credit units. Course description. This course covers discussions on core concepts of chemistry and calculations that are important in the practice of the engineering profession. The course covers topics on energy, such as electrochemical energy, nuclear energy and fossil fuels, engineering materials, chemistry of the environment, chemical safety, and special topics specific to the different fields of expertise. Here are your course outcomes. The course outcomes are our deliverables or the things that you need to be able to do after completing this course. So after completing the course, you must be able to, first, apply knowledge of the different concepts of basic chemistry such as composition and reaction stoichiometry, distinguish the different forms of energy and calculate the energy generated by fossil fuels, and identify and calculate the energy generated by different nuclear reactions. This is for our first module. Next, for the second module, your objectives are to write half-cell reactions and identify the components of electrochemical and electrolytic cells, the different types of battery, and describe some of the preparations and properties of important synthetic organic polymers and 2 naturally occurring polymers that are vital to living systems, such as proteins and nucleic acids. And finally, for Module 3, your course outcome is to present a comprehensive report and a video presentation on one topic on energy source, the atmosphere, which is related to the engineering program being taken. So those are our course outcomes. Next, we go through your course coverage. Now, under the new modular system, our 11-week term is divided into 3 phases for the first module, second module, and third module. Module 1 will be for 4 weeks. Module 2 will also be for 4 weeks, while Module 3 will be for 3 weeks. So this is how we will be dividing your time in this course. For the first module, we are on week 1. So this is the introduction to the course, and we will also be discussing the topic composition stoichiometry. For the second week, we have the topic reaction stoichiometry. For the third week, we have the topics thermochemistry. And for the fourth week, that is dedicated for your Module 1 examination. So for your module examinations, you will be given 2 takes. The first take would determine the maximum score of the second take. The second take will only be administered if you failed on the first take. The Module 1 examination acts as our final exam for the first module. Next, for the second module, on week 5, we will be tackling nuclear chemistry. On week 6, we will be discussing electrochemistry. And on week 7, we will be discussing polymers. And on week 8, that would be your Module 2 examination. That's the same as Module 1 examination. You would also be given 2 attempts. And finally, weeks 9, 10, and 11 will be allotted for the presentation of different groups. So you will be assigned a topic. You will be preparing a video presentation and a paper regarding the topic. Your Module 3 examination will be your grade on your report. Next. For our textbooks and references, first we will be using both the Alex app and the Connect by McGraw-Hill. Those are already integrated in your Blackboard accounts. Some of our seat works will be coming from those resources. We have several textbooks or references for this course. So all of this written here are included in your Metis. Some of the exercises and activities will be obtained from these books. Next, course evaluation. This course evaluation tables will show you how will you be graded in each module. For module 1, your exam is 40% of the grade, while the different exercises and homeworks make up the rest of your grade. Okay? And the passing is 70%. For module 2, the exam is also 40%, while the remaining 60% is divided into different exercises and homeworks. You see here that exercises and homeworks make up majority of your grade and that you should always be submitting those assignments. For module 3, you will be graded on 2 criteria. That's the research paper and your presentation video. They are 50% each. Okay? This is the scoring rubric for your research paper presentation. This is for module 3. So please read this on your own time. I will be uploading a copy of our syllabus. Next, how will we be converting your average module grade to a numerical grade? So this is our conversion table. This table summarizes how will we be converting your module average to a numerical grade for the module. Okay? So if you are aiming for a specific numerical grade, you better look at this table to know what average do you need for you to achieve a certain module grade. Okay? As I have mentioned earlier, we have 3 module grades, and your module grade average would determine your course grade. So the module grade average is simply the average of your grades from the 3 modules. And this is our conversion table from the module grade average to the course grade. Okay? Next, other course policies. For our attendance policy, I have already mentioned this earlier. If you are absent for an entire module, then you automatically fail the course. Next, the most important course policy is this academic integrity policy. Okay? So I want you to read this carefully because this might be the reason why you fail the course. As early as now, I must warn you, I'm very adept at looking for signs of cheating in exams. So even though it's easy to cheat during online exams, it's even easier to spot those who are cheating during online exams. I will not hesitate to give you a failing grade if you are found guilty of cheating. So kindly read section E here. Okay? Kindly read our academic integrity policy. Consultation schedule. So for me, my consultation schedule is Sunday from 1 p.m. to 4 p.m. And the consultation will be made live via MS Teams. Okay? So every Sunday, whenever you have questions during our lessons, just drop in on our MS Teams room and then you can ask me there live. Okay, so our lecture system would be delivered in an asynchronous mode. Asynchronous meaning I will be uploading the video lectures at the start of the week. You have the entire week to watch the video and answer all of the assignments and seat works. Okay? Our asynchronous delivery assures that you will not be using too much data because you will be watching my YouTube videos and also you will be watching and learning at your own pace. Okay? That is the asynchronous mode of delivery. If you have any questions or concerns, feel free to message me through course messages in Blackboard, or if it is more urgent, message me in Microsoft Teams. Okay? The course materials provided to you, the students, are first the course syllabus, this document, I will be uploading this, and also the video lectures uploaded in YouTube, which I will be linking to our Blackboard accounts at the top of the week. Okay? That ends our course orientation. Again, if you have any question or concern, you can wait until Sunday for our consultation, or if it is urgent, you can message me through course messages in BB, or you can chat me in Microsoft Teams. That's all for today. Always keep safe.